We just made it to LA.
Guys, stop doing that. The kids are giving me so much trouble.
I could cry right now.
Every second ultra prime, luxury written in time. Luxury written in time.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. It's your girl, Real Chelsea J. And today we are on our way to the Seoul. Look at these kids! Y'all, they manage every single time to get out of their car seat. They unbuckle both seat belts. I don't understand. Thank God we had a red light. We are on our way to the Seoul Edit. I was invited to this event in the Beverly Center. What the Seoul Edit is a Korean marketplace. There's just going to be tons of K-beauty brands for us to not only shop. I just want to get some really good content for you guys. Being a mom, it can be tough. Trying to balance having kids and still trying to create content, not losing ourselves. That is basically where I am now. I am super proud of myself. Pats on the back for me actually getting up and pursuing some content today. I drove an hour and a half to LA. I'm really not that far from LA, so I'm genuinely excited. Love Island got us all saying genuine. Lone Fox, I love me some him. Guys, oh my gosh. I did not know he had a store. We just parked, super excited. We're gonna head in. So we just made it in the elevator. Look at this cool elevator. This is so cute.
Socials, but then we do have a little overview bar event today.
Okay.
So we have games over on this side, we have food and drinks on this side, free skin analysis. We also do have discounted color analysis.
Okay.
Honestly, when do you ever get discounted color analysis?
Exactly.
On top of that, we do have traditional Korean wear.
Okay.
So if you've ever wanted to try one
Yeah,
out,
cool.
we do have a wish wall.
Okay, I love that.
And then we also have different brands, like their own little stalls out here. They'll all have their own little promos and discounts. Obviously, my personal favorite is over here, Gimaf, like their bubble syrup.
Ooh,
So good.
We love K-beauty.
I wanted to see some more different Korean products. Well. Down this way and to the left in front of Lululemon, we have the soap store.
Oh,
and then, yeah, there's so much more.
okay.
And you'll be able to tail
Skincare regimens and all that. Thank you. Come with me. So can you tell us some of the items that you would recommend?
So this Radiant Ski Barrier Calming Lotion is our best-selling item.
After shower or before makeup. And this is their #1 seller, guys. I love that. It looks super hydrating. This is only $15, so you already know I'm gonna have to grab me one. And it's so affordable. Moisturizers, I'm into like glowy skin. Ooh, now that's my kind of thing. Cute. You can decorate them. Cute. I love that. Okay. I'll take one of those and I'll also take a calming lotion. Thank you so much. Okay. Wow. So 40. Okay, one of these, 2 and get 1 free. So what do you recommend? My skin type is combination into the glow and brightening. Oh. Yeah. I'll try the Panthenol 10% one. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. And it feels so gentle. Definitely take one of those. We're just gonna ignore them in the back. So I'll take one of these. Don't be mean to them, okay? Here you go, buddy. It's like clean. I love the clean scent. I knew, oh my gosh, my 2 favorites. She's back there struggling. Guys, stop doing that. Honestly, guys, kids are giving me so much trouble. It's making me want to leave. I'm gonna thug it out because I'm already starting to make connections. So yeah, we're hot. Everything is just hot. You're just hot. cleansing powder, guys. Wow. I'm not bringing them next time. I could cry right now. Look at that view. I'm trying to woosah and calm down because it's giving that I'm not doing that anymore. I'm not doing it anymore. Can I tell y'all something? I'm never doing that again. Literally never doing that again. I don't care. I'm just extremely overwhelmed. And I was frustrating as heck. Yeah, I just had this whole spiel. Just do it. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Now, I'm not trying to discourage y'all. Like I was saying, there has to be some type of balance. I legit feel like a whole single mom. I'm just throwing it out there. I feel like a single mother right now that don't have no type of support. I'm just overwhelmed. All I did the Korean event. The moment that we stepped foot in there, they instantly just kicked up. Like, I'm here to network, and I know you can't do all that with kids. I'm trying. I'm out here trying. They're just crying the whole time. Couldn't focus. I just couldn't finish my sentences without them crying. I'm being transparent with y'all because I just got on here talking about, oh, this is so fun. This is do it anyway. There's a balance, but we're doing it anyway. And I'm just telling y'all, the raw truth is that it's hard. We try to act like everything is peaches and cream when it comes to parenting. I just want to encourage you guys today. I'm encouraging you because I need some encouragement. So for anybody that's in this position and feel like it's tough, we're in this together. You can do this. You got this. You're a great mom. Sometimes things are just out of our control. Things don't go as planned. Oh, let's see. Okay, so I just made my way to my sister and my brother. I got some decaf coffee that bro just made, and we're gonna taste test this. And we're also gonna open our gifts from Paris. Jamie, it better be, because I just go this. What's that? You have to close your eyes and guys, look at this Parisian coffee. Look at the brand, you guys. They just went to Paris for their honeymoon. Let me smell it. Yeah, that coffee Jamie like. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie. Coffee is a 10 out of 10. I'm literally about to down this whole drink. Y'all, this is decaf. Otherwise, I would not be drinking it like that. And he also got hot chocolate in here, so I low-key don't even feel like I'm drinking coffee. Let me get. I'm so happy, guys. We're here with Auntie and Uncle. Avi's eating, and in her. Oh, guys. About to. I'm out here sweating, y'all. It's hot as crap. Sakari, getting ready to open my gift from Paris. Let's open it up. Thanks, brother and sis. You opened your bag already? Of course you did. A scarf. It looks silk. This is a silk scarf, my guys. He said it came from Paris. Oh my gosh. Won't he do it? This feels so good. Super soft. Y'all, I low-key, what? Y'all could get y'all practice in? She said, no. Take your time. Oh. Okay, Perry. I want to get makeup on it. That's why I'm. Oh my gosh. So you picked this, Sakari? Thank you. This is so cute. Guys, this is adorable. Loving it. See, I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the video. Okay. Oh, get your. Okay, guys, what is this? I'm not even throwing away the paper because it came from Paris. Oh my God. It says Paris. Y'all, this is so cute. It is so girly. It's from Paris, okay? Jamie not gonna let us forget. Look at the little cafe, the bike. Look, guys. This is the first look. This is the first edition, first ever copy, signed copy from Paris itself. It's signed on the inside. I can't show y'all that. It's exclusive. In love with Paris, recipes and stories from the most romantic city in the world. Recipe. I'm gonna go one day. Bon appetit and welcome to Paris. Okay, I think I have 2 more things in here. 2 more things. That's 4. What's this, chocolate? Look at this. I've never in my life seen chocolate this cute. Yeah, I'm a chocolate girl now. It's been since Levi. I love cheese, bro. Ain't it? I said it's my 30s. No, American cheese, no, but I've been eating brie. Yes, I've been eating brie cheese with grapes. So I got me some Paris chocolate. And lastly, look guys, I like this one. Yeah. Okay. This is so cute, and I'm hanging this up. Jamie, this matches my room.
Oh, really?
Is this from Paris?
This is Italian cheese.
Oh.
Found it in Whole Foods.
Yum. It's given. Put this in your Alfredo. My God. You can make a high-end sandwich with this. This is rich. The texture is a little bit creamy. It just took me through waves. From Paris. Wait, y'all, can this go on a license plate or no? They bogus. Guys, we just pulled up to Erewhon. This is our first time. We made it. We're only in here for one thing. Hailey Bieber smoothie. Oh my guys. Look at the flowers. Ew. Given we might walk out of here with more than one thing. These remind me of the aloe. They even have merch, you guys. See how tiny these strawberries are? That's how you know you're getting a real strawberry. Crazy. Look, this alone makes me want to buy one. You're getting a souvenir when you purchase these. You're getting a glass. Okay. Nobody told us they had beauty products. This is dangerous. Oh my dear God. Dang, nobody told us that they had skincare. Y'all are so wrong. And look at the packaging. Y'all did us dirty by not telling us their skincare. Look, guys. I tried the Hailey Bieber smoothie. You probably hear that all day long. Right. What's your name? Chelsea. That should be it. Not me sticking this in my purse. $21. Guys, look at all these Hailey Bieber drinks lined up right here. This is crazy. I am so drawn to this after Jada sprayed this. Jasmine Amber Oud.
Bruh.
So yeah, guys, we just spent about $600.
You lying? Yeah.
They have creatine, they have Erewhon protein. They're about to close, so we're just getting the Hailey Bieber smoothies and dipping. Oh, what? I should try this. $18 creatine. I haven't even used the creatine that One Soul sent me. Jay, why are they sitting here capping $3.99? Y'all be in here capping. Just made us feel like this stuff was so expensive you can't even look at it. Talking about, oh, the water is $20. The water is $3.99. Capville. $2.99 for a small, $3.99 for a large,
And $1.99.
and $1.99 for this size. Whoever is doing the capping, we smacking. Spring alkaline. I think I'm gonna grab a. Guys, a freaking case is $17. It's literally water in a bag. Guys, look how fresh the fruit is. This looks so real, so healthy. I honestly see why everybody is paying the price that they're paying. Honestly, you guys, it's expensive. It's still giving Whole Foods. It's still giving affordable. Definitely got this for relaxation. I saw that I would grab this if I didn't have sea moss at home. We know it's some expensive stuff in here. I think that it's time for us to do a video of all the affordable things. Guys, so I'm gonna get a smoothie and shot. Let's go. Yeah, muscle minerals. Okay, like it's good, but I feel like this is something that you can make at home. That's gonna be our next video, creating the Hailey Bieber drink.